today is going to be a drive with me kind of vlog. Pretty much, my friend, like a really good friend of the family, my mom made him soup, so I just dropped off the soup. I should have showed you guys, but I didn't even think. Like, she made like, you know, Jamaican chicken soup, you know, and he really likes it, so I dropped some off to him. And now I'm going to go to Starbucks. I'm gonna do like a drive with me, and then I have a client that I have to go meet right after this, so it's kind of like a little bit of a drive. It's like almost like 40 minutes. So yeah, so once I get my Starbucks, listen. 704. Okay, thank you. Thanks.
She blessed from she birth. Girl, I know where she wants, sexy and you cute too. Real bad girl, so you do what you choose to. You tell her girl to come stop watch and view you. I worry about people, business, want to fool. Now when you have the man, and I use you.
So right now we are on our way to my appointment. So pretty much for this client, she owns a brick mortar store. It's a boutique. And pretty much I'm gonna be redoing one of her display cases. And who just called me? Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna be redoing one of her display cases. Also, we are setting up her system pretty much, like, so she can keep track of her inventory, and it's just so much easier for her. It's so much easier, like when she gets new inventory, she creates her barcode, she clicks them into her system. So I'm going to take you through that process. I am starting an entrepreneur series on this channel. I'm very excited about it. I already filmed some videos, so I just have to edit them and then put them up. So yeah, so basically that's going on the way to that appointment. Also, my best friend is coming down from Virginia or Maryland or both. I don't know, I get confused. She explained it to me and I still can't get it, but anyway, she's coming down from one of them. She picked up her bags and left me. She said peace out, and she moved to another state. Still haven't gotten over it, because I'm like, who am I supposed to talk to? Who am I supposed to talk to? I'm just joking. But I have two best friends up here, and I have one best friend in Jamaica. I really don't have friends. Like, if you guys watch my last video, I have 3 best friends. One in Jamaica, I've known her since basic school. She's my longest standing friend. I'm the mother of her 2 beautiful boys. So if y'all are asking me when am I having kids, don't even ask anymore, because I have two boys, okay? 2 boys, a newborn and not a toddler. He's not a toddler. He's like a little kid. Look at me, I'm a mom and I don't even know the difference between, Lord have mercy. Anyways, so yeah, so that friend Manessa in Jamaica, that's my girl. Up here I have 2 friends, and the one I've known her since high school, and she's a true friend. Like, we've gotten to stuff and like we bounce back. Like, you know, if you have a friend and you've never been through hard times and then you get back together, then that's not really your friend, you know what I mean? Like, but anyways, in all my friendships, I feel like I'm the fake friend, because I'm just like not that great at texting. But the friend that's coming from Virginia is Marina, and she is Marina is her name. She's coming down for the weekend. She wants to go out. Tory Lanez is actually gonna be like in like a city close to us, so I have to text her and let her know that he's gonna be here, because she was asking me like what's popping down here, and I just found out that Tory Lanez will be here the weekend of. She texted me and said her outfit did not work out. I still have not even ordered my outfit. I'm not gonna even tell her, because she knows I'm last minute. So yeah, so that's what's going on right now. So I'm just driving. So hopefully I can vlog when we go out. We always have a good time when we go out and stuff, and I want to vlog with her because she is so funny. She is hilarious. Like, she is like funny. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. She has me cracking up. Hello? You okay? Okay. All right, mommy. What time are you coming home? All right, bye. Love you. Bye.
And then for hungry. Oh, you feel make idiot try to call your man cry.
True. I'm single, y'all.
Y'all look better than a bitch.
Y'all can't take up for me?
No girl can't take your man for you. That's on your name.
Guys, strawberry refresher, bomb. Tell me what your favorite Starbucks drink is. I'm not like a huge Starbucks person, but I love their cheese Danish warmed up well. Wasn't warmed up today. Anyways, their cheese Danish warmed up. Make sure they warm it up like nicely. When it's not that warm, it doesn't taste that good, but it tastes like cocoa bread from Jamaica. I swear. And y'all know cocoa bread is bomb. But tell me what your favorite Starbucks drink is. I want to try like some new Starbucks drinks. I've tried other ones and they were not okay. They were like, can I please have my money back, please? Because this was a waste of funds, okay? Y'all, I'm in such a happy place in my life. Like, find your happiness. Money is great, having a family is great, all of that is great, world peace is great, but happiness or finding self-peace and centering yourself, that is priceless. Like, that is so priceless. Like, I'm human and I have my moments, but lately, like, I just feel, I don't know how to explain it. I just feel peaceful. I feel like my vision is clear. Like, I'm wearing my glasses 24/7. It ain't foggy, it ain't blurry, it's just clear. Crystal. No, it's not crystal, it's crystal. Crystal clear. Okay? So find your happiness, okay? That is my advice to you. Find what is making you happy and just focus like a horse in a horse race, and you don't see here, you just see the goal. Honestly, I'm like right there. Like, I'm just in a happy place. Like, feels good. I'm like a person that's stressed, and lately I just don't stress about what will be. Like, honestly, I'm working towards my goals. I'm doing what I have to do, but I'm not stressing. I'm centering myself. I'm surrounding myself with positive people, grounded people, God-fearing people, and I'm just doing my thing. That's all. That's all. I put everything else in God's hands, okay? I sprinkled it, I laid it, I placed it, I paved it in God's hands, okay? All right. I'm just gonna say that.
It went down, she came up, you know. Y'all take shots, y'all aim up, you know. Hate on low, but we fly high, you know. Talk is cheap, free Wi-Fi, whoa.
Guys, so the other day, I tried to vlog for y'all the other day. It did not work. Listen, it just was not a vlogging day. I went to the orthodontist because I was supposed to get braces like 2 years ago, and I just keep putting it off, but I went and I really like this guy, and his teeth, oh my gosh, they're perfect. And he was like, I really like your teeth. I think he says that to everybody because, you know, he's trying to get that money. Anyways, so I went to the orthodontist, and I'm gonna get my braces soon. And they were like, oh, your teeth will be like straightened, whatever. Basically, I had to get 4 wisdom teeth taken out, and once I took my wisdom teeth out, they didn't give me a retainer, which they were supposed to, so my teeth shift. My teeth used to be perfect. So I'm gonna go get the braces. The thing that I didn't like about it, when I went, they were like, you can't have ice, but I see people eat ice with their braces. I know, I'm so dramatic. I really didn't get braces because of ice. Yeah, because I'm really anemic, and just things that are cold, especially ice, like, I feel sick when I don't have it, and I'm gonna go to the doctors for that because it's getting out of control. But anyways, yeah, so I went and I'm gonna go get the braces. I hope I don't look silly. I don't know, but I want my teeth fixed and straightened.
A short Paul and Sasha, come sing for them, baby.
I'm blessed, oh man, with my 2 hands in the air as far as I can.
So this is the cash register.
It's not a cash register.
Yeah.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, turn around. Oh, turn around.
I think it's just simpler than yours. Yours is like high tech. So then this is the directions. Oh, to lock, to opening manual, all of that. Okay. So then, so I'm just opening the package. So she has an online store and she also has a brick mortar store. She was just using a cash register, but we upgraded her system so everything, she can create her own barcodes and all of that. So right now, so this is her scanner. So this is her scanner. And this is her label maker and then her iPod. Okay. No, I'm right here. Bye. Have a safe flight. Let me give you a hug. Have a safe flight.
Possibly tomorrow or definitely Monday.
Okay.
I'm gonna just chatter my team just to make sure. But you should be good to go there, and I'll call you by the end of the night to see if you were able to get that.
Okay, perfect.
Should have sent you that email, and it's gonna include like his calendar. Did give you customer support's number too as well, right? Just in case I'm not, around or you can't get in touch with me.
Yes, you did. Thank you so much.
Okay. No, thank you both. Yeah, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Ooh, Gabby got a shout out at work because of our review. She's good. I like her. So guys, basically we got some of the items, but 2 of the items are on back order. So once everything is set up, I'm gonna come back and show you. And then we'll go from there. But yeah, it's exciting. And we also got some new inventory for the summer/spring. So a lot of stuff is going on. I'm definitely going to take you guys on the journey. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for it today. I'm going to segue when all of the items come and then I can show you guys everything.